Hey guys, my name is Adam Nguyen, and if you're watching this, then I am at least 31 years old today. Yes, that means today's my birthday, and yes, I really am 31 years old. So, a little bit about myself. I decided on my 31st birthday that I want to start this self-love social experiment. And self-love is such a hot topic in 2019, and everyone's saying that you should love yourself. But it's so effing hard, or at least for me it is, and I would like to think that I'm not alone in this, but I have struggled with self-love, self-doubt, and self-confidence for the most part of my life. And at 31, I am exhausted. And so I started looking into how to love yourself more. Tips and tricks, right? And they make it seem so easy. But if you have not loved yourself for a hot minute, it's gonna take a lot of to get to the point where you can undo what has been done. And so I want to share my self-love or self-discovery journey with you all in hopes of inspiring others to come along with me on this journey. And I also want to build a community centered around self-love and acceptance of all, which I like to coin my self-love crew. And that is because although this feels very self-centered, I honestly believe that if we loved ourselves more, there would be significantly less hate in the world. Because a lot of times the toxins that we spew out into the world comes from a place of fear or insecurity or self-hate. And so if we loved ourselves a little bit more, there would be more love out in the world. So that's my goal, that's my mission, that's what I'm about. How am I gonna do it, right? So I wanna take this umbrella of self-love, which seems very daunting. Like, how do you change yourself overnight? Like, how do you love yourself overnight? You can't. I want to take this and systematically break it down into smaller chunks that are tangible. So each week, I'm going to try something new. I might change my mindset or whatnot, and I'm going to document it and share it with you guys. Does it work? Is it worth your time? Should you try it? And hopefully, since it's week by week, you guys can incorporate it into your lives as well. And I also know a lot of you guys are coming from my Instagram, which I post self-portraits of myself, which also called advanced selfies. And so once a month, I will take you guys behind the scenes to show you my process, so that way you guys can try to do it yourself, because I honestly think this is a great movement. But yeah, so that's what this channel is about. If it interests you, give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications, because I will be posting every Tuesday. And so, yep, that's all I got for you guys today. Until next Tuesday, I'll see you guys later. Bye!